Hello, it's Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales, and I'm introducing Soto Welding here in Bakersfield. And they also work on tow trucks. They build tow trucks from scratch. They actually built a tow truck for us. That was fascinating. Jose is the genius. He can do anything. There's nothing that he cannot do, and if he doesn't know how to do it, he will figure it out. So I'm showing you, this is a tow truck that he's working on, repairing right now for a client. And this is Soto Welding here. The reason why we have been working with Jose for 3 years, and we have such a great working relationship. And we got to a point where we will partner up on building a truck, because we sell trucks at Mooji Truck Sales. So we'll bring a truck to him, and he will build it. So he will contribute his labor, and we will contribute the truck. And this is why it's good to know good people, and this is why it's good to stay connected and to become a community and help each other. Because when we help each other, we can do a lot more than we can just do on our own. Look at all the tools and all the knowledge and experience and hard work that goes into this kind of work. Custom making trucks and building tow trucks and dump trucks. It is a lot of work. There's nothing this guy cannot do. So he's honest, he works hard, and he does good job. He does a good job always, and he warranties his work. If you have a problem, bring it back and he will fix it. And this is Soto Welding here in Bakersfield, and they build tow trucks. Come on down.